Morning guys, how's it going? Just heading up to the garden this morning. A little bit cloudy here today. I can see the cows are here. Oh, Solstice is waiting for me. Hey Solstice! I'm pretty sure that's Solstice. Could be Galadriel. I always get them mixed up, these sisters. Good morning! Here she comes. Oh yeah. She's so playful. Hello, Solstice. How are you? You're coming to see me. Hey. Come on. What have you got? You got some grass hanging from your mouth. Hey, beauty. Huh? Yeah, you and I need to get to know each other, don't we? A little bit better, I think. What do you think? Yeah? It's okay. You're going to let me come up to the garden? We've got some hay. That's a special treat for you. Oh, yeah, here we go. Hello, it's okay. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Good girl. You're not allowed to get out the gate. Where's the rest of your family gone? Hey? You guys escaped yesterday, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Yeah. Hey. No, you can't come out the gate. I'm sorry. No. You're going to go up the hill to the garden with the rest of the family, yeah? Yeah, that's it. Beautiful, peaceful morning here today. A little bit cloudy and drizzly. Busy planting. The guys have been busy planting this morning. What plants are these?
Purple dwarfs.
Oh, tomatoes.
Beans.
Huh?
Beans.
Beans.
Yeah.
Purple dwarves. Yeah. I guess you probably want me to get my hands dirty too.
Yeah, when you want.
Sounds good.
What do you like to do?
So as you can see, it's starting to rain out here. Got a bit wet, but managed to get all this done today along here, and the guys have planted, they look like beans or sweet peas, I'm thinking. So that's good. And that row up there too. Fantastic. I'll show you the greenhouse. It's been a week since we planted and everything is coming along beautifully. Unbelievable how quickly these plants are growing actually. Tomato plants, leaves. Just so vibrant, aren't they?
Yeah, well, much better that big, you know, that's a big one now, not small.
Happy little plants. It's over here. Just parsley. Coriander.
It's coriander.
Coriander.
That's parsley over there.
Dill.
Look.
Oh yeah, parsley. Oh, I love coriander.
Yeah.
Wow, it's looking fantastic. White sage.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's always a good plant to have in the garden, isn't it? The sage.
Yeah.
Protector plant.
Yeah, and the smell, you know.
Yeah, the smell's
Good aroma.
beautiful, yeah. So that's great. These guys are just booming in here. Unbelievable. Harvesting now the lettuce leaves. Courgettes. I would say they are courgettes. It's actually quite nice in the rain here. It's so fresh. To show you guys. Whew. So I left Marley at home today on his own with the door open, hoping he's still there. Papa Joe! Have you been waiting for me? Yeah, good boy. Hello.